If you're going to look how to build business online, then first of all, you need to understand what business is and what's the concept of what business. Are you looking for active income, residual income, or passive income is eventually the way you want it to go. So my name is Sandy Gum and I'm an insurance and private equity advisor. In this episode of Real Money, Real Talk, I'm going to talk about how to build online business without money. First of all, let's talk about business itself. There are active income type of business, the residual type of income business, and also passive income type of business. So what are the differences between the three? Now you may question, the residual sounds like passive, what's the difference between the two? Now we all know that active income is something that you're trading your time off. So even in business world, let's say if you open a restaurant, it involves you to actively manage on it. If you have to do the cooking, then it is an active business, okay? It's not a passive business. Now, when it comes with residual income, it means you are actually able to earn some money with only minimum requirements in managing on it. So in that cases, it will be something like subscription, royalty. These type of business, you do some work in the beginning and you only need to deal with this type of business only like with minimal management. Now, passive income is something that you can completely take yourself out of the context. You can actually still get the business running even without you being there. Like you can completely slip, you can disappear for years, and the business will still run itself. That's called passive business. Now, passive income business. Now everybody wants to go from step 1 to step 10, right? From the active income, slowly building residual income, and then to the passive income. So I'm going to talk about the online business. Now you may come across one of the online business now is very popular is called e-commerce. But is e-commerce actually really a passive income type of business? The fact is actually no. I have done Amazon. I was a seller on Amazon. And in fact, you need to learn so many things. You need to source products. You need to talk to vendors, negotiating, find the great things. You need to calculating the shipping costs, and you have to put everything in management, all right? And that is active income. That's active type of business as well, right? Because you have to actively involve inside the business. Despite that, people are getting orders online, you are handling physically still. It's just a transaction online. So e-commerce is not a passive income if you still need to manage everything under yourself. Now, if you're able to hire someone to do the work for you, now it becomes residual income because now you're just supervising your employees who do the work. But you know yourself, you can't just hands off completely because what if the employee makes a mistake? So in that case, it's not completely passive, but for sure you're able to free up some time. So what are the passive income type of business that you can do? A passive income type of business is something like you could do investment, right? Where you're lending out money, then you don't have to worry about because it's collateral loan, right? If something happened to it, you can collect it, foreclosure somebody's property, okay? And during this time, nothing really happens. You can close your eyes, you go for traveling, you can disappear for years because that person will continue to pay the interest, and that's called passive income. So there are companies actually in the management, in lending. Those ones are the ones that they're able to get the passive income because they'll have the employees to do the underwritings, and then they'll have the management basically just overseeing a little bit, and they can close their eyes, all right? And that's how you get your income that way. Another way is actually to partner with certain companies that have already structured everything else for you. And in that way is basically the business that I'm talking about, which is the online business that I do, all right? I have the business that I'm going to share with you. That's something that I found out that's been working really well for me, okay? This type of business is a vendor where I partner with them. I share their products, and if that product goes really well, shared by other people, which is the second or third tier, you're also getting the contribution to it. You're also getting paid from it. And from that is called passive income. Now, the problem is, If clients do have to come back to you asking more questions and you have to be the one keep reminding them to buy the stuff, that's not a passive income. That is called still either residual or active income. But if you come in a situation where they keep coming back by themselves automatically and they shop on their own without you telling them, without you have to reminding them, then it becomes passive income because you don't have to service that. Just like big company like Walmart, Costco, right? They don't knock on door to tell you when you need to buy your chicken, when you need to buy your veggies, right? When you need it, you go back to them and buy it. The only difference is who they buy it from. And that comes with marketing. So if you have great products and you're able to retain that client and able to have that repeated customers, then you are able to build the passive income. If you'd like to know a little bit more about that, I put the subscription inside there. So I have a link inside the description. You can click and take a look to yourself. So in summary, there are tons of different businesses. So you just have to find what will fit you the best. Some businesses require big capital, some businesses don't require capital. So you have to know, if you like the brick and mortar, you need to know you need to have enough capital, right? Even for e-commerce with Amazon or Shopify, then you need the knowledge, you need the skills, right? With Amazon fulfillment, you do need some capital, right? So if you don't have capital, then you need to take a look opportunities that we don't require capital, and will these potential business also a good fit for you? So comment below if you like my videos and help me share, and remember to subscribe my channels, and I look forward to see you next week.